Hi and welcome to this video. My name is Mick and today is about the Sony lens FE 35mm f1.8. And I want to get straight to the point. I need your help. The 35mm is a really good lens in my eyes and does a great job with photography and video recording. But the lens is somehow constantly working and produces background noises that are just too loud for me when recording video. The first thing I suspected was autofocus and image stabilization in the camera. But even if both are deactivated and the camera is running in manual mode, it continues to work in the lens. It's now my second lens. I had the same noise with my first lens. Of course, the very first thing I did was I searched for this noise problem in the internet and also exchanged ideas with other YouTubers. But the result confused me even more, because most of them use this lens without any noise, and with some it's just like me. For comparison, I used my Sony 16-55. This lens produces noise too, but it's much quieter. Okay, maybe the comparison is not quite fair, because it's twice expensive, better processed, but for around 600 euros, which you currently have to pay for the Sony 35mm f1.8, I would have expected less sound. Okay, then let's have a listen so I can demonstrate to you what sound I'm talking about. The following test recordings were made with both lenses in a small singing booth to exclude room noises. I aimed the Rode NT-G3 directly at the respective lens at a distance of round about 5 centimeters. Let's go. I took different recordings with my Sony Alpha 6600 with both lenses and different microphones to find out whether the noise was transferred to video recording. With two microphones, that was actually the case. On the one hand, with the internal microphone, even if nobody seriously uses this as an audio source for his videos, and with the Rode Video Micro, which was connected directly to the accessory shoe. With the Rode Video Mic Pro Plus and the Rode NT-G3 aimed at a virtual speaker, the background noise was actually not noticeable. Usually I always record the sound externally when recording video, so with a directional microphone or a lavalier microphone. And if the camera is far enough away, you won't hear any lens noise. And yes, if there is ambient noise, you will hardly hear it. But for example, when vlogging in a quiet environment with a microphone such as the Rode Video Micro directly on the camera, it is audible. I don't have a full-frame camera yet, so I can make a comparison again. But I think it's unlikely that it could be due to the combination of the Sony Alpha 6600 and the 35mm lens. So, what are your experiences with this lens? Do you have the same problem? Write me in the comments below, please. Give me your tips. I'm grateful for any information. Is it normal? Am I doing something wrong? Write it down. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and I would be happy about your subscription. At the moment, more than ever, take care of yourself and stay healthy. Thanks for watching and Servus.